Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to make sure you have both the GCASH and SHOPEE apps downloaded and installed on your phone. If you don't have them yet, head to your app store and grab them. It only takes a minute. Step 2. Open the SHOPEE app and look for the payment settings option. This is usually found in your profile menu or account settings. Tap on it to access your payment preferences. Step 3. Look for the option to add a payment method or wallet. You'll see cash listed as one of the available options. Select cash from the list to proceed. Step 4. When you select cash, the app will prompt you to enter your cash mobile number. Make sure it's the same number registered with your cash account. Double-check this carefully to avoid any issues. Step 5. After entering your number, you may need to authorize the connection through cash. You'll likely receive a verification message or prompt. Complete the authorization by confirming the link, and you're done. Your cash account is now connected to SHOPEE, and you can start using it for purchases right away.